Well, the second annual I.S.E.S. USA is, again, second to none in our industry. Such a unique format that brings C-level, VP, executives in our industry to collaborate and network. And it's a format that, I tell you, I look forward to all events now and in the future with I.S.E.S. So it's something that I think everyone in our industry should experience.
You know, you guys pulled another magic rabbit out of the hat, and it turns out to be a great conference, getting all the executives. And I walked away is the common themes spoken by the executives, and it seems like, you know, having all the executives in a room and listening to all the speeches, and there are a few common themes that comes out of or emerges out of these conversations, which is very important for the whole industry to recognize and rally behind that, see how we can collaborate to move forward these teams.
So it's been great. It reinforced the reason why I should come here. Great networking opportunities. It was good to hear a lot of the industry veterans talk about the challenges, and also it's good to see that, you know, the challenges are common across, and so there is a lot of room for collaboration, a lot of room for information exchange that's going to be beneficial for the whole industry. So it's a really good event. In 2 days, you know, I got a lot done in terms of networking and really getting a good understanding of where the rest of the industry is.
It was a great experience. Presentations were good, but more importantly, all the people that I was able to meet, networking was fantastic. The overall experience was great. I'll definitely come back again.
The event's been really great. One, it's in a beautiful setting here in Phoenix. Two, the quality of the presentations has been phenomenal. A number of the biggest executives in our field really talking about the trends happening in the semiconductor industry, talking about where things are going, what the challenges are, and how we can all work together as a community to solve some of these challenges. The attendees are great. You know, I really like this kind of one-room format. It's a full room with really high-quality attendees, and so the speakers were high impact, the attendees are high impact, the networking has been great, the discussions have been great. So I would say overall a fantastic conference.